Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make a new column in a ClickUp. So first thing that you will do is simply go to one of your list over here, and after that, from here guys, on your list you should have a plus icon over here, and as you can see it is a add a column tab. So just simply select this one, and you will have here multiple fields based on your own personal preference. So from here, you will have multiple options that you could use. Now guys, let's say I'm going to go for a checkbox over here. And after that, just simply provide a name. I'm going to go for check and click on create. And after that, you will have a column over here. As you can see, when we click on it, we should be able to have here multiple options. And you can just simply use this feature over here. And if you want to add another one, of course, just simply click on the plus icon and you can create or search for field. Let's say I'm gonna go for progress and click on this one, progress auto, and just simply provide a name field and click on create. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.